Let's take a look at these Brick Non Sharpening Pencils. You get 4 of these for 90 rupees, around $2. This is how it looks. It's a rainbow of colors. You can break it anywhere and get a new pencil. You can have 3 small pencils, or you can have one big one. You can even small pencils with their own colors. Each one has a small pencil lid, about this much. So this won't last long, but are quite fun. Again, you don't have to sharpen them. Once you're done, just put them back. Let's try and make a same colored pencil. As you can see, you can make 7 small pencils. Quite nice. Check it out.